Hi, Dr. Pierce here, inventor of the Lucky and Loyal Pet Support System. And I want to talk to you about what to expect during your dog's first 2 weeks in the mobility garments. These first 2 weeks really matter because this is an introduction period. It is not a final verdict, and it is not all or nothing. And it is not about instant perfection. Your dog is adjusting to a new support, new feedback, and new movement patterns. Now, if you follow the directions, your dog can still get up off the ground on their own. So the system will help them gradually regain or maintain their current level of strength. That all takes time. Admittedly, some dogs do show changes fairly rapidly. You may notice better posture, safer steps, or more confidence getting up and moving around. Other dogs need more time. That is normal too. During these first 2 weeks, I want you to keep wearing sessions short to a couple of hours in a calm and positive environment. You could also just use it for your walks on a daily basis. Think quality over quantity. We want supported movement, not exhaustion, not frustration, and not too much too soon. What should you watch for? Better posture, better paw placement, more stability, more confidence, and a brighter willingness to move. What should you not ignore? Rubbing of the sleeves at the openings. The sleeves must lay flat. You also shouldn't ignore any clear discomfort, stress, unusual fatigue, or a fit that just doesn't seem right. If something feels off, reach out right away. You have 7 days from receiving it to requesting a Zoom exchange if the sizing is not right. We do exchanges. We do not do returns. And there are important reasons for that. 5 of them, in fact. First, hygiene. These garments come into direct contact with your dog's body, fur, skin, and body fluids. Second, biosecurity. Many of the dogs we serve are medically fragile, aging, healing, or immunocompromised, and we never want to cross-contaminate those dogs. Third, product integrity. Once a garment has been worn, stretched, and used on a moving dog, we can no longer guarantee its original performance. Fourth, individualized use. These are not generic retail items. The suit will employ aerospace deformation to become one with your dog and enhance their movements. The mobility garments are selected for specific body types, sizes, and mobility needs. Finally, fifth, quality protection. We are a mission-driven, very small business, and protecting the safety, cleanliness, and consistency of every garment matters deeply to us. So, if the fit is not right, please contact us within that 7-day exchange window. We want to help you get the best setup possible for your dog. And above all, give this process some grace. Mobility support is not about magic. It's about consistency. It's about patience and about love. You are doing something deeply proactive for your dog. That matters so much. Stay observant, stay hopeful, and know that we are with you every step of the way.